always gets pretty messy during the day because I'm either like shooting content, or some days I will style a bunch of outfits and then my apartment is an actual disaster, or I'm filming like a try on haul, or I'm filming some sort of like fashion related video. So after I've cleaned everything up and the place is feeling a lot cleaner, now that the weather's warming up, we've been going out for walks. We're gonna go soon, buddy, I promise. But we've been taking Nico out for a little WALK. I wanna get like a little bit ready and put on some jewelry and stuff because I'm gonna try to shoot a photo if the sun comes out a little bit more. So I actually wanted to show you guys some new jewelry that I got. And this video is actually sponsored by Vitali. I'm so excited to be working with them. I just really love Vitali, and they have such great quality jewelry, and they have like the coolest pieces, like really unique stuff. I want to show you guys what I got. So the first piece I got is this gorgeous gold chain. I'm such a gold jewelry person. I love wearing gold jewelry, and it is so stunning. And you could either have like this at the front, or if you want it to just be like a gold chain, you can do it like that. And then the second piece that I got is this stunning, I love how it's a double chain. I think it's so pretty. The quality of their jewelry is so good too. Like, they last forever and they do not tarnish at all. So those are the two necklaces that I got. I love them so much. They're so pretty. And you guys know I love layering jewelry. I love layering necklaces, so these are gonna be so nice to add to my collection. And then I got this ring, which is so stunning. It's so cool and unique. This is what it looks like. So pretty. I'm actually obsessed. So that's what I got for myself, and then I actually got a ring for Brayden as well. Brayden also loves Vitali. He has 2 chains and 2 rings from them. So I got him a 3rd ring for his collection. It's this really cool, it kind of looks like a chain, and I think it's so cool. So that's what I got from Vitali. I'm so obsessed with all of these pieces. So you can use the link in the description if you guys want to get a $25 gift card to Vitali. So make sure to use that if you want to check out any pieces. I will also have everything that I got linked down below in the description. Also, you guys, we are going to be doing a giveaway, which is super exciting. If you use the link in the description, you will be signed up to win a $500 gift card to Vitali, which could get you so many cool pieces. So make sure to sign up if you want a chance to win a $500 gift card. So all you have to do is sign up using the link in the description, and you just have to enter your email address. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, be following me on Instagram, and be following Vitali on Instagram. And that's it. That's literally all you have to do to enter this giveaway to win $500 for Vitali. So sign up there. Super exciting. So I'm just gonna quickly finish getting ready for the walk. This is what I'm wearing for our little walk. I'm just wearing a white t-shirt and this beige puffer jacket. I'm wearing baggy jeans and these chunky shoes, just like a super comfy outfit. Miko, do you wanna go for a walk? He's too excited, he doesn't know what to do with himself. Miko. I'm wearing these now. This is my little fit. I'm also wearing my glasses because I'm not wearing contacts today. We just got back from our little walk. So we stopped at the grocery store, and the first thing that I got are these flowers. It's spring, like I need to be having fresh flowers in the apartment more. So we got these little tulips. They only had yellow. I normally like white or pink tulips, but they only had yellow, but that's fine. It's still like super cute and pretty for spring. And then I'll do a quick little haul. So we got bagels because we have some vegan cream cheese, more oat milk, soba noodles because we're gonna do soba noodle bowls for dinner. We got 2 bags of frozen fruit because I want to start doing oatmeal for breakfast again. So I got frozen fruit to put in oatmeal. We got soy sauce. We got chili garlic sauce because we're gonna make a good sauce for the noodle bowls. And we got chocolate. I'm such a dessert person. I always like having dessert after dinner. So that's everything we got. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff away and then we can start making dinner. I love using my essential oil diffuser at night. I feel like it sets such a nice vibe, so I'm gonna fill it up. This one is literally so nice, and it has all of these oils in it. It's a blend, and it smells literally so good. Okay, she's all filled up. I'm just gonna turn her on. And there she goes. Literally smells amazing, like makes the apartment smell so good. Brayden's bowl, this is my bowl. There's a little bit of a difference in size. So this is the little homemade sauce that I made. And then we have some basil. Is this basil? Yeah. Okay, basil to put on. So these are the soba noodle bowls. They look so bomb. So what veggies did you use again? Just mushrooms, carrots, bok choy.
And then celery.
And celery. Oh yeah, and soba noodles.
Right there. Oh my goodness.
Literally looks so good. This is our first time making this little soba noodle bowl. Well, I say our first time, it's your first time. I didn't do anything.
You did the sauce, you made the sauce.
Oh yeah, I made the sauce, that's it. It was my contribution. And we normally watch a show with dinner because we're normally just like exhausted at the end of the day and we just want to like chill and relax. So we are gonna watch Peaky Blinders tonight. There's a new season out and we are obsessed. I feel like I've talked about Peaky Blinders before on my channel. We love Peaky Blinders. Great show. Highly recommend. So we're gonna eat our dinner now and watch one episode. So it's been a little bit. We just finished watching the show. It was the season finale. It was so good. And I just changed into this comfy little sweater and shorts. They're both from White Fox, but the sweater is literally so comfortable. So now we're just gonna do a little cleanup of the apartment and just clean up all of the mess from dinner and everything. So that's what we're gonna do now, and then I'm gonna do my skincare routine. So just in the bathroom now, gonna do my skincare routine. I just put this little headband on. I don't know where this is from, but it's like a little silk headband. And I'm just gonna wash off my makeup. So I've been using this for so long, I think like 2 years, but I love this stuff so much. It is the Drunk Elephant Best No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. So good. It's just like my favorite cleanser. So I'm gonna use this to wash my face. For my skincare routine lately, I've just been liking to keep it super simple, and I feel like my skin just is so much better when I'm not using like a 10-step process of putting like so many products on my face. I feel like my skin just prefers a simple routine. For the most part, I will just use a moisturizer and an oil because I do have dry skin. I like to make tea every single night. I feel like it's such a great way to like wind down. I love the brand Traditional Medicinals. So these are two of my favorites. I really like the Everyday Detox, and then I also like Cup of Calm. So these are the ones that I usually have in the evening, and it really chills me out. Brayden, do you want one? Cup of Calm or Everyday Detox? Calm? Okay. Okay, so while my tea is brewing, I'm gonna take some supplements. These are the ones that I'm taking right now. I'm doing iron, B12, and D3. I have been so bad at taking supplements over the winter. I literally just forgot to take them and forgot that I had these. So I'm trying to get back on track with taking supplements. So these are the ones that I'm taking right now. And I want to go ahead and get some more too. But these are the ones that I'm doing right now. So I'm going to take all of these. So now around this part of the night, I actually like to, because Brayden is in school right now, so he is usually doing homework around this time, so I give him the living room to get his work done, and then I come into the bedroom and I do work too because I normally have like more stuff to do. So I'm just gonna do my work, finish up planning, and I like to do like a to-do list for tomorrow, figure out what content I want to film tomorrow. So I know they say don't work in bed, but I don't have an office. We live in a 1-bedroom, so I always work in bed. I'm probably gonna throw on a show. I actually started watching Love Island the UK, so I will be watching that in the background. I love to just throw on like a random reality show in the background because I feel like you don't have to really pay attention to those kind of shows, so they're like really great to get work done too. So I'm gonna drink my tea. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you want to see an updated spring morning routine, let me know in the comments because I can film that for you guys too. And also huge thank you to Vitali for working with me on today's video. Make sure you guys check them out. Also make sure to enter the giveaway because $500, that's a great prize. They have so many great things. So I'm still wearing my necklaces, by the way. They just got lost. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and I will see you guys all very soon in my next video. Bye.